Have you ever wondered what accounting actually means and why every business depends on it? Whether it is a small shop or a multinational company, accounting plays a vital role in managing business activities. In today's video, we will understand meaning of accounting, definitions of accounting functions, and procedural aspects of accounting and how accounting information is used in real business. Accounting is often called the language of business. It helps businesses record, classify, summarize, analyze, and communicate financial information. According to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, accounting is defined as accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions and interpreting the results thereof. In simple words, accounting means maintaining systematic records of business transactions. Every business performs hundreds or even thousands of transactions daily. For example, sales made to customers, payments to employees, purchase of goods, marketing expenses, collection of money from customers. Accounting helps organize all these financial activities properly so businesses can understand their financial position clearly. The first step in accounting is recording transactions. All business transactions are first entered into books called journals or subsidiary books. These are known as primary books of accounting. For example, recording sales, recording purchases, recording cash received, recording salary paid. Without proper recording, businesses cannot prepare accurate financial reports. After recording, transactions are classified into different accounts in the ledger. Classification means grouping similar transactions together. For example, salary account, rent account, advertising account, stationery account. This helps businesses identify total expenses and income under each category easily. The next step is summarizing. Here, classified accounting data is converted into financial statements. These include profit and loss account balance sheet, cash flow statement. This process helps management and external users understand the financial performance of the business. Accounting is not only about recording numbers, it also involves analyzing and interpreting financial information. Analysis helps answer important questions like, is the business making profit? Are expenses increasing? Is the company financially strong? Interpretation converts accounting data into meaningful business decisions. Accounting information must also be communicated to users. These users include owners, investors, employees, banks, government authorities, suppliers, and customers. Accounting reports help them make informed economic decisions. Different users need accounting information for different purposes. For example, investors want to know profitability. Banks check repayment ability. Government verifies taxes. Management plans future growth. That is why accounting is extremely important in every organization. Today, accounting is much more than bookkeeping. Modern accounting includes recording, measuring, communicating, analyzing financial information. Its ultimate goal is to help users make better business decisions. So let's quickly revise what we learned today. Meaning of accounting. Definitions of accounting: recording transactions, classification and ledger, summarizing financial statements, analysis and interpretation communication of financial information. Users of accounting. Information accounting is truly the backbone of every successful business. If you want to learn accounting step by step with practical examples, subscribe to Krishna Prasad Accounting Academy. like, share, and comment your doubts below. See you in the next video.